What's up, everybody? Welcome to the VLOGMAS Day 8. Good morning! It's actually good afternoon. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 1:13 p.m.
It's 1:13 p.m. I've been up for a little bit, just bumming around in my PJs and my fancy chair, because that's my life right now. And now I'm sitting in front of this giant pile of laundry on my bed, and I am going to deal with it, because I need to deal with it. So, let's do it. And then I think Mom and I are going shopping because it's not raining right now. Yay! So leaving the house is more of an appetizing prospect. So, yeah. We're going to do the laundry and then probably go shopping. Here we go. Hi, Watchy. Hello, baby boy. Hello. Oh, is that big yawners? Like a puppy? I'm sitting up next to my bed, and he's got his paw in my lap. Yeah. Hi, buddy. Yawn. Oh, another yawn. Aww. Who's such a sweet boy? I am almost done with my laundry. Everything is put away in the dresser. I just have to hang up those clothes and those clothes. I'm almost done. I almost did it. I've almost got it. Yes. Mama did good. Mama did a good job. Yes. Mama's doing good. Yes. But Mama taking a break to pet the puppers. Yes. You pet the puppers. You pet the puppers. You're a good boy. Yeah. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I love you. Yes, I love you, Roger. The boy. And 2 hours later, it's done. All the laundry is put away, hung up where it's supposed to be. Woo! The basket's over there. I'm dressed, sort of. I'm just wearing a pair of Christmas PJs because it was so late in the day, and I don't think we're going anywhere, that I'm just like, you know what? I'm just going to wear PJs. I did change my undies, though, so those are clean. Yeah, and if you saw my vlog yesterday, you know that Mom and Dad were up really late last night because Dad had to go to the ER. So, that's why we're not going shopping today, because Mom is really, really tired and deserves to rest. Plus, I spent a day doing chores. So, it all worked out okay. And yeah, now I'm gonna just go rest and try and edit yesterday's vlog and get that up and going. And then I'll check in with you guys a little later. So I'm not putting up my shoe tree this year. I think I mentioned that just because I'm in the chair. But I wanted to show you guys the Christmas decorations I do have in here. So I have my Jeffree Star tree with the mirrors. That stays up all year long, but it is still Christmassy, so there's that. And then hanging on my door, I have my pink Jeffree Star stocking. And then on the door, I have this adorable sign that my mom got me. I stand up here. And so it says Merry Christmas on it. And then it has the little license plate. And three little lab puppies in the back of the truck with the cute ribbon. And then there is a sign right there that I have one and my friend Jennifer has one. I gave her that when she and her husband came to visit us this summer. So, we both have one, and I just put it up. So, those are my Christmas decorations. And then outside my window, I have a lighted star that I'll try and show you guys at another time. So I just got my order from GDB. That's the school that I got Roger from. And I got a couple of window decals. Let me make sure. It was upside down. Blind girl vlogging. So I got these, and as you can see, that is Roger right there. So these are window clings. So I got 2 that are inside, and then 2 that are for the outside. So if you were to peel this back, you can see there's the picture, but it goes on the inside of the window. So I got 2 of each of those. I already have a couple of these, but I wanted a couple more because that's my Roger, and I don't, you know, I want to have a lot of them in case they stop selling them at some point, you know, once they get like a new poster dog. And then the entire reason for my order is this awesome Christmas tree ornament. So you can see it's an outline of a guide dog and then the handle. And you can see right there that it has the words, and then it has the braille. The braille is so small that I can't really tell what it's supposed to say. But if I had to guess, it probably says Guide Dogs for the Blind. But yeah, so we will have to find a space to put this on the tree. And then, yeah, so I like it a lot. That is my order from GDB. It is late night snack time. I haven't eaten hardly anything today, and I am feeling like I just need a little something. So I'm gonna have some pizza rolls. I'm gonna have some of those. And they are right here. It's pizza roll time. All right, it is countdown time. We're gonna put on the wreath.
Each day, place an ornament on this tree to know how many days there are left till Christmas.
How many?
This is my favorite time of year. And you know, only 17 days until Christmas.
Mr. Snowman says 17 days. And now, we'll open our next eyeshadow. Almost dropped my box. Okay. Pull out the palette. And number 8, right? 4, 8, yeah. This is number 8. Okay, let's open this up. So, let's see. Yesterday was a shimmer, so I expect today to be a matte. Here's today's color. To me, it kind of looks like a warm, like mustardy brown, maybe? Like a caramel color? I don't know. But let's, hold on. Add it to the palette. There we go. So here's where we are so far. There we go. So that's where we are. And that's Christmas countdown for today. Alright, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Leave me questions, comments, video ideas down below. Share this video with anyone who might find it entertaining. And it would mean a lot to me if you were to subscribe, become a member of the Cray Cray Squad. And when you subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell. Ding! That way you can become a member of the notification squad. That's it. So until next time, I hope you had a Cray Cray day. Good night. Merry Christmas.